In this video, I'm going to show you how to use voiceover and B-roll to create a nice, easy video for yourself. The first thing you want to do is bring all your clips in. So the way that I do this is I record a voiceover. So all I'm going to do here is I'm going to extract the audio. So I right click on it and extract the audio because I don't need the rest of it. It's better to record yourself speaking to camera, and the best thing to do is to hold it up in front. A lot of people will hold here, but hold it here and do your voiceover as if you're delivering. Then if you actually do a good delivery, you can use it as a separate video as well. The next thing I do is I bring all of the videos down into my timeline. So you'll notice this is going to be way longer than my voiceover, which is fine. Then all I do is I scroll across and I'm trying to find where I cut in. So I want to be cutting here. And you're probably noticing already that I'm not in the right format. That doesn't matter. I'm going to fix that in a moment. So every time, what this voiceover is me talking about work and how it's easy once you get into the flow of things. So I'm talking about your flow state. So I just want to keep this nice and flowing, just clicking between different elements within it. And in this video, I know it's long. I wanted to do a wee retention thing. So I'm going to use the split tool up here or hit C. And then I'm going to bring this so that it fits as well. Bring it down to here. So now when I play this, it's going to have the voiceover play over the top. So what I want to do is go up here to ratio. Because I recorded the voiceover in landscape, it's going to go into a landscape. So I want it to be at 9:16. So once I hit that, it fixes everything. Then I'm going to mute this so it doesn't talk over me. But you'll see now that this is me working. So when I'm talking about the edit, talking about whatever I'm doing, it just shows these little clips. So then you're able to use this B-roll for different videos as well. So I can use this as a longer video or a short video. Using them for like 8 seconds is really good. If I was using this first section of me sitting down to work and I have something like a long script on the video that's talking about me sitting down getting prepped for work and something that's relevant to what I'm doing. If you work in a gym and you start talking, if you have a B-roll, if you're doing a squat, then you could do a voiceover if you teach in the squat, but then you could also use some of the squatting clips with these are the key elements you need for a good squat. That's how you make a B-roll video with a voiceover. If you like that video and you like to know more about editing videos, then watch this video right here that will take you straight through from start to finish on everything you need to know about CapCut.